Hello friends, today I will show you how to make this cute little coin holders. Last week I showed you how to do this cat coin holder, and you can go and check it out if you didn't watch this one. But today I will show you how to make this doggy coin holder where you can put your quarters or just little coins. It's a little pouch and it's very small that you can put on your purse or your wallet. So this is what we're gonna do today. For these I will use 2-color yarn. These are Lime brand and they are the 24/7. I will also use a 3.5mm crochet hook. And for the face, I will use this cute little eyes that I got from Amazon. Also, I'll use a pin for the nose. You can also embroider it. I have some, see, I did something like this too. You don't have to necessarily use this, but you see that? But it makes it look very cute. So if you want to get it, it adds more personality to your project. So let's get started. So I will be following the pattern that I have on Etsy. I will link it in the description. First, I'm gonna make in a magic ring, we're gonna make 2 chains, and we are going to do 11 double crochet around the magic ring. So you make 11 of them. Once you have your 11 double crochet, you will close. You'll end up with 12 double crochets here, plus the string that you did first. And now we're gonna do chain 2. Don't include this. Oh, what happened? Not that one. You don't want that. So chain 2. And we are going to increase in each. We're gonna be increasing 2 double crochet in each stitch. So basically we will be having a flat, this piece like that will make 2 rounds and it'll be like a flat circle. So let's increase 2 double crochet in each stitch, and you will end up with 24. Okay, now we are going to join with the first double crochet that we made, and at this point I will chain 6, and I will close it in the same stitch to have our little loop here. And I'm gonna pull my string and I will cut it. Next, I will do, using the same yarn, the same color, I will do the same thing. I'm gonna repeat the same process of that flat circle. In the first row, I will do chain 2. I will do 11 double crochet, and then I will do basically the same thing, but don't do 6. Instead of 6 in here, we will make 20. Did I say 20? 23 or 20? Yeah, 23. I will show you when I come to that point. I will show you. Okay, so I made another one, another piece just like this one, except in here, instead of doing chain 6, we will do chain 24 to make a longer string. So 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so I got 24, and I will insert my hook in the same place where I started the string, and I will close it with a slip stitch. Okay, and I will cut it. Now I have two pieces, and these will be the front of our doggy, and this will be the back. So I'm just gonna put this loose string on the back, and now we are going to work. So we have those two pieces. Now I will switch to another color, and I will work on the ears. So for the ears, we will do chain 9. Nice. So chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I will do treble crochet on the third from my hook. 1, 2, 3. Here I will do treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then another treble crochet. 2, 3. And then I will do 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and I will do 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. Okay, and I'll pull my string, and this will be our first ear, and I will do another one just like this. Okay, and this I like to just tie them together just so that it won't get loose. So just tie them together, not super tight, just kind of loose. Now the second one, you want to make it tighter, you see, put a little more pressure. Okay, so we're gonna do another one just like this for the second ear. I have the ears now, and I will work on the nose. And for these is on a magic ring, we will do chain 2, and we will do 11 double crochet in the same magic ring. So we'll end up with 12. Now I have 12, and I will pull the string of my magic ring to make it tighter, and then I will insert my hook here, and I will close this with a slip stitch, and I will do 2 chain 2, and I will double crochet, and then I will do double crochet incrementing 1 extra, like 2 double crochet in one, in the next stitch, another double crochet in the following stitch, and I will chain 2, and I will close it in the same stitch. Pull the string, cut it. You see, it forms like a little, I don't know how you call it, it's like the nose of the doggy, where the nose is gonna go. Just put my string behind it to hide. All right, so now we have all the pieces that we need. So let's just assemble them and kind of visualize how is this gonna look like. So this is gonna be the front, and I will put my eyes on here, and just kind of see there's like a little spaces in here, and you can put it, make sure that you go both Yeah, like that in the middle. And then I will use the other fastener and I will put these nose, I will put it in here in the middle. See? And the ears, I like to put the ears in the back. So I attach them in here. So what I do is, this already has the string that I left, and I'm just gonna go through in the back and pull the excess of the ear, and I'll tie a knot in here. You see that? That's super easy. So tie a knot in there. Make sure it's very secure though. You can do 2 or 3 just to make sure that it doesn't get loose. And then we hide we have one ear. You can put it higher or lower, however you know how doggies, some have their ears a little higher, some lower, drooping down. I don't know how your doggy look like, so you wanna make it look like your doggy or just any kind of doggy. They're all cute. Okay, so like that, and you're just gonna tie a knot there. Like that. And we're starting to see our little doggy. Now we are going to see, we're gonna attach them together. Of course, we're gonna clean up all this. And then we are going to either, you can sew these, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce, sew, S-E-W. And so you can connect them basically, join them together with a regular needle, or you can use your crochet hook to do that. I normally do my crochet hook and I connect them that way. See? And so yeah, this is the little project that I have for you today. What you do is you're gonna go with a hook in the back, pull the excess like that on the other side. Okay, so it will look kind of clean, but you make sure that you secure all this, don't leave it like that loose. And you put the fastener too. See how I did it? It could be a little challenge when there's like, you see? And what I like to do is I use pliers to cut them so that it won't poke you. And I have another video that I made how I do it. And same thing with the nose, you see? Use the fastener. And I also like to put my excess yarn underneath the fastener. If you have some room, just put it in there so that it will be more secure and won't unravel. Alright, so this is what I have for you today. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments what do you think. If you follow along, if you want to see more videos like this, you subscribe, leave a comment, so then I can make more videos like this. And so yeah, thank you for watching this video, and you have a very beautiful day. See you the next time. Goodbye.